Pleasant morning, children. Happy to see you all again. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, the third chapter, Fiber to Fabric. So, you have discussed this topic in your lower classes itself. So, here we are going to discuss this in very deep. Okay. First of all, what is this fiber? Fiber, it is the thinner strands of thread or yarn. What is it? Thinner strands. Thinner strands of yarn or thread. Okay, thinner strands of yarn or thread, that is called as fiber. Okay, next, what is this fabric? Fabric means it is nothing but the clothing material, the material which is used to make the clothes, no, that is called as fabric, clothing materials. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about the animal fibers. We have the two sources of the fiber. One, it is plant fiber, and it is animal fiber second. So here we are going to discuss about the animal fiber. Okay, the fiber which we get from the animal, it is called as animal fibers. So here the two animal fibers, first it is wool. Second animal fiber, it is silk. Where do we get this wool? We get this wool from the fleece of sheep. Fleece of sheep. And next, silk. It is from the cocoons of silk moth. Cocoons of silk moth. Okay. First, we are going to discuss about the first animal fiber, wool. So, what is this fleece? It is nothing but the hair or fur of a animal. Okay. First, we are going to discuss about wool. Wool. Where do we get this? It is only from the sheep? No. It is from the goat, yak, camel, and llama, alpaca, and also from the sheep. Okay, so these animals, they have the thick coat of hair. Okay, they have the thick coat of hair. This thick coat of hair, it traps lot of air. Okay, it traps lot of air, and it keeps them warm. Keeps them warm in the winter season. Okay, so because of this, it is very thick, no, the hair, they are forming a thick coat in their skin. So this traps lot of hair. The hair, it traps lot of, it will not allow the cool breeze to get inside, so the animal will be warm. Okay, and here we are having the two types of hair. Okay, first hair, it is the coarse beard hair. Coarse beard hair. Okay, and second type, it is fine under hair. Fine soft under hair. Okay, these are the two types of hair. Okay, this fine soft under hair, we prefer it for making wool. Okay, so we choose this type for making the wool. And for this, for obtaining this special character, the fine soft under hair, we are following the process called selective breeding. Selective breeding. What is the meaning of breeding? It is the process of producing the offspring, the young ones. Okay, so the process of producing the young ones, that is process it called as breeding. So here we are going to select the parents. Okay, so selective breeding means selecting the parent. Selecting parent, and this is to obtain the special character. Obtain the special character. What is the special character here? This is the fine soft under hair. To get the special character, we are selecting the parent, and this special character will be produced in the offspring. Okay. This process it is called as selective breeding. We will be choosing the parent with the fine soft under hair and they go for breeding and they produce the offspring with the same special character. Okay, this is about the selective breeding. Now we are going to discuss about the animal that yield wool. Okay, so we are having the several breeds of sheep. We are not depending on the particular sheep. We have the several breeds of sheep which yield wool. Okay, several breeds of sheep. Okay, and next, this several breeds of sheep they are present in different parts of our country. Okay, they are present in different parts of our country. Okay, right. The first it is about the York wool. Okay, York wool, and this York it is present in the place Tibet and in the region Ladakh. Okay. The next type it is Angora wool. Angora wool. So this breed they are present in the place called Angora. This is in the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. This is in the place, this Angora, it is in the place Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. The next it is about the Kashmiri goat. Kashmiri goat. So from this goat we are getting the soft wool and which is woven into the shawl. Okay, it is woven into the shawl. Woven into the shawl. This has a particular name called pashmina. Pashmina shawl. Okay. Yes. The next it is the camel. Camel also yields wool and you know that it is present in the desert region Rajasthan. Okay. And next it is about the llama and alpaca. They are present in the region, it is South America. Okay. South America. So these are the animals that yield wool and they are present in the different parts of our country. Okay, right? Now we are going to discuss some of the Indian breeds, that is the sheep which is present in India and which yield wool. Okay, so they are called as Indian breeds, and here we are going to tabulate the name of the breed and quality of the wool that they yield and the breed where they present, in which state in India, in which state they are present. Okay, so the first breed it is named as Lohi. Okay, it is named as Logi. The quality of the wool it is good quality and this is present in the states of Rajasthan and Punjab. Okay, Rajasthan and in Punjab. Yes. The next second breed. The second breed name it is Rampur Bashir. Rampur Bashir. Okay, they have the brown fleece. Brown fleece. Okay. They are present in the Uttar Pradesh and then Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh and in the Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Next, the third breed. Third breed, it is named as Nali. Okay. Nali. And this is the carpet wool, which is making for carpet. Okay, carpet wool. And this is present in the states of Rajasthan, Punjab, and in Haryana. Okay, and in the state Haryana. Okay, the fourth breed. The fourth breed, it is named as Bakharwal. Okay, Bakharwal. Okay, this is for making the woolen shawls. Okay, woolen shawls. And this is present in the states of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. And the fifth breed. The name of the fifth breed, it is Marwari. Marwari. This is a coarse wool. Okay. Coarse wool. And this is present in the state called Gujarat. Gujarat. Okay. The last breed name, it is Patanwadi. Patanwadi. And this is for making hosiery. Okay. This is for making hosiery, and this is also present in the state Gujarat. Okay. This is also present in the state Gujarat. So these are about the Indian breeds which yield wool. So these are the breed name and the quality of the wool and state where they present. Okay. And this is about the today's session, and remaining topics we will be discussing in the next session. Thank you, children.